Alright, so moving on, a polygon with 6 sides is called a hexagon. So hex, 6, they both have X in the word. Might help you remember. um, Polygon with 7 sides is called a heptagon. This one is a little bit harder to remember just because, once again, hept is not a prefix that we typically use, but if you think about it, like your head has 7 holes in it, 2 nostrils, 2 ear holes, 2 eye holes, and a mouth hole. So a polygon with 7 sides is a heptagon, hetagon, heptagon. So if you need a way to help you remember hept, head, your head has 7 holes. A heptagon has 7 sides. All right. Moving forward. Then 8 sides is your stop sign, your octagon. You know that one. You've seen that one a lot in your life. 9 sides is a nonagon, nonagon. So a 9-sided polygon is a nonagon. And then finally, a 10-sided polygon is called a decagon. So these are the ones that you're responsible for in 5th grade. Triangle, quadrilateral, those are the ones that you already know from 4th grade. Triangle has 3 sides, quadrilateral has 4 sides. And then in 5th grade, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, heptagon 7 sides, octagon 8 sides, nonagon 9 sides, decagon 10 sides. So there's regular polygons and irregular polygons, or not regular polygons. Regular polygons, all the sides are equal. Non-regular or irregular polygons are polygons that don't have equal sides, so they're not congruent. All right, so for instance, this triangle, all the sides are the same length. On this triangle, we have 3 sides with 3 different lengths. So a regular triangle has all the same sides, an irregular triangle has different sides. A regular quadrilateral would be something like a square. As you can see, it has 4 congruent sides. They're all the same size. With this rectangle, they are not congruent. These 2 sides are the same size, and those 2 sides are the same size. So that's an irregular or non-regular polygon. Here is a parallelogram. Once again, this parallelogram is a special parallelogram over here called a rhombus because it's got 4 congruent sides. This one is just a normal parallelogram because it has 2 sets of congruent sides, but not all 4 congruent sides. That's why these are once again regular, because all of the sides are the same. Then finally, here is a hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Here's a hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. As you can see, the hexagons look really, really different. This one is a regular one because all the sides are the same length. They're congruent. This one is not regular or irregular because all of the sides do not match. This one matches this one, matches this one, but this one does not match this one or this one. Congruent means equal size and shape. You learned that in 4th grade. Congruent angles have the same degrees. Congruent sides have the same length. Congruent figures look the same and have the same size and same shape. So congruency means same size, same shape. Same size, same shape. Here are some parallel congruent lines. Parallel means they will go on forever and not touch, but they are the same size, same shape. So lines go on forever in both directions. As you can see, this has an arrow on this side, an arrow on that side. That means it's going on forever, like to the edge of the earth and beyond. A line segment, they kind of cut those the arrows off and put dots. That means the line ends. All right, so it starts here and ends here. This line segment has points that show you that it starts and ends, unlike our line that goes on forever, which is arrows. And then there's parallel lines that go on forever because we have the arrows, which means they would go side by side and never touch. Intersecting lines are 2 lines that intersect, but at any angle other than a 90-degree angle. That would make a perpendicular intersection. We talked about that when we talked about our coordinate plane. Remember, your coordinate plane is a perpendicular intersection. Anytime 2 lines cross, it's intersecting, but when they cross at a 90-degree angle, it's perpendicular. All right, and then we'll review these angles as well, like we did in class, when we come back on the next video. And I will see you then. Go ahead and look at the angle.